Hello guys, welcome back to channel Learn Civil Engineering with me. Today also our concept is daily life of civil engineer. Srinivas sir, just check this once. Is it tight? Is it enough? So today we are going to Tower 2 along with Mr. Imtiaz, is my colleague. So today we are going to check columns. Let's go to site. Yesterday this slab got completed. Before 2 videos we are at this slab only. Hope you remember. So now the upstand beams work in progress. We cast it today, and the curing work is also in progress. In our site, the curing period is 7 days, 7 to 10 days actually. So in our site we are following for 7 days as per our general notes. So this is the column layout which we are going to check now. This is side drawing, so it is in worst condition. Hey, schedule nikalo. Yeah, just we will check one column only. For example, say this is a core wall 2CW4. Beside this core wall 2C25 was there. I will check 2C25. 2C25 nikalo. So this is 2C25. So this is column schedule. So this is C25. This is from foundation to steel to floor to first floor. From this steel floor to first floor, it is getting reduced 100 mm. So from 300 to it was reduced to 200 mm. So this is first floor, this is second floor, this is third floor, this is fourth floor. Now we are at fourth floor. So we need to check this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, sorry, this. We need to check this. So here the details are 825, 420, and the stirrups are links 8 are at 200 mm. So let's have a look. Our Imtiaz will check this. Imtiaz, today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is 825. 1, 2, 3, 4. 420. The stirrup spacing is 200. 250. See, this is the stirrup spacing, 1 meter. We will get 5 stirrups. So as regular, what we need to check in this column steel, the main lapping zone. Where is the column lapping zone? It will be L by 4 at bottom, L by 4 at top, and that should be staggered. So let's check this. So this is L by 4 zone of this column. So after L by 4, the lapping got started, and next staggered, which means one lapping should be here and another is here. So it was also followed by our team. Next L by 4 zone is from top to here. After L by 4 only we have lapping. So the lapping zone is from bottom to top L by 4, from top to bottom L by 4. So it was followed by our reinforcement team. Hence the zone is perfect. And another thing, at that zone, as per drawing at L by 4, we need to place stirrups at 75 mm spacing. It was also as per drawing. At bottom also it was done. So our Imtiaz completed steel checking as per drawing. So this steel also completed checking. Starters placed. So the starter checking will be done as per the total station marking, and from starter to starter we will check with line dory for line alignment. Every starter alignment will be checked like this only. If any deviations are there, we will set it and we will proceed for concreting. देखो. So this is starter to starter checking. The steel checking was completed. Now India is going to check this column centering checking. Before placing this centering, already I have checked that the oil was polished for this board, and the board was very clear. There is no concrete or slurry. Now he is checking the supports and the verticality. For detailed column checking, I have made a Telugu video earlier. Very soon we'll make into English also. A detailed column centering checking. Here we don't have time today to make that video. So in this checking, I can't able to give you full details of centering checking in English. So as per our previous videos, this is tower to left wing. In tower to left wing, we have 3 ports, port 1, port 2, port 3. This is port 2. In this port 2, we do have 4 flats, which is ready for concrete. But electrical conduiting work is in progress. After completion of this work, we will check this slab and cast concrete. So we'll tell you minor checkings in this slab. At column beam junction, at the end of beam, there should be a ring stirrup like this. Watch this, here and here it was available. So this is the first thing you need to check, and after this, column master ring and column rings into that column. If the rings are not available, we need to provide beam rings into the column. Either column rings or beam stirrups. Column stirrups or beam stirrups has to be there, like this. After this, we need to check the lapping zone of the beam. The lapping zone of the beam is top, middle, bottom, ends. See? So this is concealed beam. I already explained you regarding this in my last video. This is a concealed beam. The concealed beam means the beam which is not projecting below the slab is called a concealed beam. So this is cutout reinforcement. In drawing, we do have some cutout reinforcement. For every cutout, there should be some steel details, reinforcement details. So we need to follow as per the drawing only. So we are going to tower 3 basement roof slab centering checking. The line dory has been winded 1 meter above the slab level. That level has been given with by using total station or auto level. From there we will use gauge with respect to the slab thickness and beam thickness, and we will do the checking. So first let's check the beam depth. So this beam depth is 600, 450, 600, 450. Yes, all beams are 600 and 450. So we will prepare a gauge of 1.6 and 1.45. See, the checking should be in smarter way. We can check it by using tape also, but the tape will take a lot of time. As early prepared a video for slab centering checking also. So if you see the video, but it was in Telugu language, you know the perfect way of checking and smarter way also. So this is our 300 mm beam. The bottom is okay and top measurement also match. But after this, we have to check this side plumb. The side should be in plumb. Morning we have discussed regarding the lapping zones. See, this beam was in air now. We'll clearly find that top lapping is at middle and bottom lapping is at ends. And this have to be maintained perfectly, because the beam bending moment will come from this top part to will come downwards, and in middle of the beam, bottom bending moment will get increased. The moment will increase, and again it will decreased at bottom and increased at top. So beam slapping should be, for bottom it should be at a corner, for top it should be at middle. So we are going to check the beams. The maximum beam depth is 600, 900 and minimum 450. So we will mark it by adding 1 meter. So this is a 600 beam. इसमें लगाओ. So the beam bottom is down. Has to be lifted. ये ऊपर उठा बोलो. ऐसा लगाते चलो. So this is also down. It has to be lifted up. उधर चलो. कोना में लगाओ. टाइट ही चाहिए. हाँ उधर लगाओ. See at that location, the beam bottom is height. It has to be down. Yes. और 5 mm मारो.
ये थ्रेड इसके नीचे आना, ये ऐसा आना.
Yes. रुको रुको. Yeah, it's completed level. We are going to tower 2, third floor slab. It was ready for concrete. We need to check the steel and sides and have to give clearance for concrete. Right now we are at 4-3 of tower 2 right wing. As per earlier videos, we have 3 pores in right wing of tower 2 and 3 pores in tower 2 left wing. Same for tower 1 also. So this slab is going to check by Mr. Naveen and Mr. Shiva. They started the checking. These electrical conduits has been checked along with the DB schedule and electrical drawings also. Please like, share, subscribe.
Please like and share and subscribe.